All right, in this video, we're going to talk about 3.2 Objective 8, where we obtain graphs of functions from graphs of their derivative function. Its first graph, the equation for this will be y prime on this axis, and we want it to equal -4. So that is the constant function, y equals -4. Doing my best. There we go. Hard to draw without a ruler. And then any of our functions here that have a slope of -4, which would be all of these parallel lines B, C, and D, but not A because it has a different slope, are all potential graphs which could be obtained from this derivative, or that this derivative could be the slope of the derivative of those functions in those graphs, I guess I should say. All right, -7x, so it's going to go through 0, 0, down 7, right 1, up 7, left 1, and do my best here to go through those 3 points. It's very steep, like so. And then, so we're going to have a positive slope to the left of 0 and a negative slope to the right of 0, and so it's not going to be B, it's not going to be C, it's going to have to be something that's quadratic, and it's positive and then negative. It has to be A. There is the only right answer. Is more than one graph possible? Absolutely, they could differ by a constant. So we could shift that up or down any amount along the y-axis there. So create the graph of a continuous function that has the properties below. The slope is 1 when x is less than 0. The slope is 0 between 0 and 5. And the slope is 2 when x is greater than 5. So that looks like A to me. Is more than one graph possible? Yes, we could move the whole graph up or down. They all have to stay connected. So D, more graphs could be created by shifting the graph up or down by an arbitrary amount, but you have to move every piece of the graph up or down the same amount so that they all stay connected and continuous. If it didn't say that it needed to be continuous, we could move each piece of the graph up or down and not have it line up with the next piece, and it would make lots more different graphs. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and talk about 3.2 Objective 9, where we find equations of normal lines. See you for the next video.